tragic night in Pontotoc County as the trailer that you see just to my left was destroyed by what some think could be a possible tornado.
Appears to either be a microburst or maybe a short-lived tornado.
Driver, I got it.
Okay.
Now there were two people inside the trailer as this happened. One's okay, he's been transported to a local hospital. The other, the female that was inside the house, unfortunately lost her life tonight.
Hollered at my girlfriend, went straight to the bathroom and sat down in the bathroom while it passed over. Come outside, noticed insulation in the trees and stuff, and ran down and tried to help the neighbors out.
Rescue crews got here, located a mobile home that had obviously been overturned.
Now we did hear that there were several other houses in the area that were damaged or tore up by the tornado, but as of right now, that's all the information we have. Reporting in Pontotoc County, Chris Harris.